In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how we can make faceless YouTube videos, and I'm going to share with you an example of a faceless YouTube channel that it's easy and simple, anyone can start, and this is relaxing natural channel, okay, as you can see over here. So I did some research and I found this channel uploading just animal videos, and those videos are getting millions of views, as you can see over here. This one 6 million views, this one 11 million views, this one is still getting views, was posted 1 year ago, but it's still getting views and it's still making money. Okay, I'm gonna show you step by step how we can create like those videos. If you want to start faceless YouTube channel in this niche, in animal niche, this video is for you, because I'm gonna show you those, because those videos are really super easy to make. Okay, so let's get started. So let me show you the state of this channel. As you can see over here, this channel, in the last 13 days, this channel got 7 million views. It's close to 8 million views, as you can see over here. And they didn't upload any video, okay, just the old videos, and as you can see, they are still getting a lot of views, and making this channel is really making a lot of money. Okay, so to make like those videos, it's super easy. What you need to do is you just need to go to Canva. Okay, go and search for Canva on Google, create an account on Canva like this one. After you finish, this will be your home page. Scroll down, you should see over here video, click on video, and you will be directly in this page over here. As you can see, what you need to do next, click over here on elements and click on the search for animals. Okay, it's easy and simple. Click on videos and you can find a lot of videos about animals. Okay, so just click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 point, click on set video as background, and here you go. What you will do, you will swipe left and you click over here in the end of the video, and keep clicking and swipe right like this. Make the video short. Click over here on add page, so we can add and keep adding more page, so we can add different animals. Okay, so we can show different animals. I'm gonna add like this. After you finish, go to the next page, click on the next page, scroll down and add another video. This is, make sure to use different videos. Set the video as background, make it short, click on the next page, add different videos showing animals. It's easy and simple. I'm gonna show you how you can make those videos more engaging. So let's add first those. Okay, let me see, I'm gonna add this one over here, showing lions. Okay, let's see, make it small. Okay, make it short like this. Click on the next page, scroll down, you should see a lot of videos here. Okay, showing animals. It's easy and simple, guys. It will take just few minutes from your time to make like those videos. Okay, so I already upload. I'm gonna add this one over here, make it short, click on the next page, scroll down. You can also add animals like this, little cat. Scroll down, you can find a lot of animals here. Okay, I'm gonna add this one here, make it short and add different animals, so your video will be more engaging. Okay, next I'm gonna add just this one. Okay, I'm gonna add this one. As you can see, make it short like this, click on the next page, scroll down, and just keep using this method, guys. Okay, so let's add just this one. Okay, I'm gonna make this one short. Okay, just like this. So what you need to do after it, so just keep adding more different animals to make your video long. Okay, so those videos should be long videos. After you finish, go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, and choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make your videos more engaging and professional. I'm gonna use this one, match and move, make it just to decrease it to 0.3. Click on apply between all page, and here you go. You just made faceless YouTube video about animal. Check this one. Let's check. And as you can see guys, I just made faceless YouTube video showing animals. It's just in few seconds. So to make this video more engaging, click over here. So let's click on design, scroll down, and you can click, so let me show you, click over here on upload and upload the background music that you want to add from your laptop. So how you can find free background music, I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Just go to YouTube, search for no copyright background music. You should find